Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do division on the stamp game while recording it on paper. And I want to share with you the 3 questions that I always ask myself when I'm doing this work. So the first thing I did was I set up my problem. I have 5,650 divided by 4. So I have 5,650 divided by 4. The first thing we do is distribute our thousands. Okay, and I know I'm not going to be able to give everyone one more. So now I come over here. My first question, how many did you distribute to each person? 1. I distributed 1,000 to each person. How many did you distribute all together? So all together, I distributed 4. You can also, 4 times 1 is 4. That's the second question. The third question, how many do you have left to distribute? How many do you have left to distribute? Now you can do the subtraction and then check with how many you have left. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and I have 1,000 left to distribute. So I know I have to exchange my 1,000 for 10 hundreds. So now I have 10 here plus the 6 I already had. So I have 16 hundreds altogether. Now I can distribute them. So all right, and it came out even. So back to my first question. How many did you distribute to each person? I distributed 4 hundreds to each person. How many did I distribute all together? Well, all together I distributed 4 times 4, which is 16. If I didn't know that, I could count them. And how many do I have left to distribute? And 16 minus 16 is 0. And I can check, and I have 0 left to distribute, so I don't have to exchange here. Okay. So now I have 5 tens. And bring down my 5. Now I can distribute my tens. Okay, first question. How many did you distribute to each person? 1. How many did you distribute all together? 4 times 1 is 4. Or I could count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do you have left to distribute? 5 minus 4 is 1. And I have 1 left that I have to exchange for 10 units. I have 10 units that I have to distribute. All right, first question. How many did you distribute to each person? 2. How many did you distribute all together? 4 times 2 is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many do you have left to distribute? 10 minus 8 is 2. And I can check. And I have 2 left. And since we're at the end of our problem, these 2 become remainders. So I would write remainder 2. And there you go.